Okay, we're looking at Latin for Children B, Chapter 25, page 186. 186. This is not an easy page. You may have tried it on your own and you may have been unsuccessful. You may really want to start with me. Either way, the first time I went to start a video on this, I realized, whoops, and this one takes a lot of thought. Rex gentis beatae justus es. And we're going to parse it at the bottom like Shirley. So subject noun, rex. Verb, usually as it is in Latin, all the way at the end. And est is a linking verb. So this is a verb transitive. S and VT. And VTs are the equal sign verbs. And so what does the rex equal? Does it equal a gentis, a beatae, or a justus? Now remember, rex, king, is a masculine word. So he's not going to equal a beatae. And if we look carefully, gentis is not in nominative. Gens, gentis, nominative, genitive. That's in genitive. So we can't equal, the king can't equal a genitive. It's got to equal another noun that's in nominative. So the only masculine nominative noun that's here of these three words is justus. And we're going to call this justus. We're going to actually call this a predicate adjective because justus is not a noun. The king equals, and this is an adjective describing him, equals just. All right. Now what is gentis and beatae? Rex gentis, nominative subject, genitive possessive of. This is a possessive noun adjective. Possessive of. The king of the gentis. And beatae. Now beatae is an adjective, but what is it modifying? Is it modifying king? Obviously not. So gens gentis, being a feminine word, beatae is modifying gens gentis. So this is the adjective that's telling us what kind of gentis they are, beatae gentis. So we're going to look up here. Rex, the king. And gentis, possessive noun adjective. Gens gentis, of the gentis meaning people, but beatae telling us what kind of people. The king of the blessed people. Est is beatae. No, I'm sorry. Est is justus. Justus meaning just. The king of the blessed people is just. Now let's look at the third one. Third one's a little bit strange. Sororem, X-E-C-M-A. That's not in subject nominative form. Alienam, X-E-C, or A-I-I-am. That's not a nominative either. So we have two nouns that cannot be subjects nouns. So let's look at our verb. Terebo. Bo, bispit, it's a future. And it's I. I will. Oh, so this is a subject pronoun hidden in here. This is our verb. And within it, we have a subject pronoun. Kind of funny. Stuck on the end. And this is going to be a verb transitive. The bus, the tereo, terere, bus is going to back over into something. Which one of these is going to be accused by our transitive verb? Terebo, tereo, terere, to frighten or to terrify. I will frighten or terrify who? The sorum or the alienam? Well, I'm going to frighten or terrify the sorum. This is the DO. And then we're going to ask, what kind of sorum? It's alienam, so that's an ADJ. What kind of sorum? So let's go up here. Terebo, bo bispit, I will frighten, I will terrify. I'm going to write it over here. Bubbles. I will frighten the sorum, the sister alienum, the strange sister. Sister. And now let's look at the last one. Cum primo servo sedeo. Where's our subject? This is not nominative, and that's not nominative. That's not nominative, so it's hidden in our verb again. We've got another subject pronoun hidden in there. I and sedeo, and this is our verb. So this is the I sit. Cum is with. This is a prepositional phrase. Cum servo, object of the preposition. What kind of servo? Primo servo, adjective. So we'll go up to the top, and it looks like I'm really out of space, I think. I need to remove that little line and make some room for me to put it. Cum primo servo sedeo. Subject pronoun I sit, sede. I sit, cum, with, primo, the first, servu, servi, servo, servum, servo, the first servant. Oh, there we go. I sit with the first servant. Now, for the next page, on page 187, you are kind of trying to figure out what the sentence pattern is. And so we did some of 187 in class, and I just, you're not going to be doing any Latin translating, so I would like you to do page 187 all on your own. We'll take about 10 seconds to check it before our quiz on Monday. All right, so we need to have, for our Monday quiz, we need to have a password. And for this password, I think we're going to just grab a name out of the hat. So we'll do Audrey. Audrey, hope you got to study a lot this week. I know you wanted to study a little bit more, so you are the winner. If you put Audrey on your paper, not just as your name because it's Audrey's test, but because you know that the password is Audrey, then you have it. And I'll see you in class on Monday.